Hey there, I'm Ann from Plush and I'm here to show you how to make some amazing Easter marshmallows. Take your ever so soft marshmallow slab, and what you're going to do is get it ready. So, a little bowl of water. You're going to want to get your hands a little bit wet, just like this, and I'm telling you, this is how easy this is, all right? And you're gonna get 3 color sugar, all right? So I'm gonna take the yellow right now, and I'm just going to sprinkle over. So I'm going to take the sugars, move it around. All right? Look how cool that looks. You're going to get a set of these cutters. I'm taking the Easter egg. I'm going to do this, move it around a little bit. Voila! Look at that. This is how easy it is. And I've got an all-natural, beautiful colored yellow Easter egg. Take a skewer, pop that baby in here, just like that, and you've got an Easter egg on a stick. Isn't that fun?